Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Homewood Suites by Hilton West Palm Beach. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This all-suite Palm Beach hotel, less than 1 mile off I-95, features an outdoor pool, billiards room and putting green. In-suite amenities include a fully equipped kitchen and iPod docking station. Homewood Suites by Hilton West Palm Beach feature a spacious, separate lounge area with sofa bed and cable TV. Free Wi-Fi and a work desk are included. An alarm clock in each suite has MP3 player capabilities. The fitness center at Homewood Suites offers equipment with personal TVs. A 42-inch flat-screen TV is also located in the billiards room. Free beverage service is available in the lobby. Rapids Water Park is less than 2 miles from the West Palm Beach Homewood Suites, and the Flagler Museum, inside a 55-room mansion, is less than 7 miles away. Palm Beach International Airport is 11 minutes from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.